Yo, what up everyone, this is Alter Tech back again with another unboxing video. So in front of me I do have the OnePlus wireless bullet headphones, and so far let's check out the back. So we do have this in the black color with a in-ear style. It has a remote, an impedance of 2 ohms, sound pressure 97 decibels, rated power 3 milliwatts, frequency range 20 to 2000 hertz. Alright, and we do have the Qualcomm aptX. So let's get through it. Let's start this unboxing real quick. Get out my little box cutter blade. Alright, so let's see what we got. Now online I believe it's like around 80 bucks, and I think it was on sale about a couple weeks ago for about 60 bucks. Now I did get this free at the OnePlus event in New York City. I was lucky enough to get one. Okay, so now we're talking business. So we have the Never Settle logo, and okay, now we have the silicone earbuds, and we do have these wings, which is kind of similar to the Jaybird headphones. Now, this is pretty cool. Now the thing about OnePlus that always impresses me is the presentation. Now it's a nice neat little compartment, and now we do have this silicone, I guess this might be a case. Okay, so now we do have a silicone case. Oh, this does have a, I guess it's a USB-C to USB charging cable, I'm guessing. And now this, I'm guessing this is the carrying case. So we do have this magnetic clasp to keep this closed. Okay, that's interesting. Designed by OnePlus. Alright, as for the headphones themselves, alright, let's check this out. For your music, just get this open real quick. Alright, okay. Oh, wait a second. Alright, so we have the user guide over here, and over here we have the headphones themselves. Let's check this out. Let's see if we got anything else inside here. We got 2 instruction manuals. Bless you. Okay, so we have the controls. So here's a charging port, and we have, I guess, a control button. No, actually this might be the power button. Yeah, it is power button. Okay, so it does have juice in it. And over here we have the volume rocker and the mic. And as for the headphones themselves, now this is a black color, and you're going to get a touch of red right over here. I know there's a new limited edition coming out where the wire is actually red, which I actually prefer, but from a stylish standpoint, these look pretty good. So what do I think about the Bullet wireless headphones? As for the case, it's pretty much just here to just, store your headphones when you're not using them. I don't think they offer any protective support, but it is pretty stylish. It does feel kind of cool. The USB Type-C adapter, for some reason most of these come with very short cords. Now this is over your neck, so you wear it like this, and you just pull them apart, place them in your ears, and like I said, once you pull them apart, it will instantly connect to the last device it was connected to. So you put them in your ears and you just start jogging, running and stuff. Now I do like this better than the X2s, because with the X2s it went around behind your head. This is just a prequel to the full review. So if you want to see the full review, I'm probably going to put more graphics and animations in that video. So if you want to see that video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a great day, and I do hope you guys subscribe. Now this is Alter Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.